How are you guys doing today? It's another vlog. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Okay, this video is going to be an installation on our recent accessory that we... And this is going to be relating to the middle console organizer. The package is right here. And I'm just basically going to perform an installation of this accessory. Let me open up this box here. Alrighty. So this basically, this little box here, right here, goes in the middle console of the Tesla. And it's an accessory that I picked up for about $14 on Amazon.com. It looks like it was 3D printed. And this product, let me remove some of the items that I have in here and get this all cleaned up. This goes right here because there's a big deep hole, and this is going to be a very easy installation, and it's going to allow us to have an organizer. Alrighty, so it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. So now that I can put my coins here, I can put my glasses here, and maybe a few business cards. Mm, very nice. And it looks like it fits exactly for the spot. Let's see if we can easily close it. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice. See if it opens. And there it is. All right. All right. Installation complete. And now the vehicle looks even better. All right. That's all I got to say. Thank you, and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.